Hi everyone, today we are going to solve the three-sum problem. So what we have array of integers and we have to find the triplets which sum is 0. So in the example 1 we have minus 1 0 1 2 minus 1 minus 4. So we have to return the triplets which sum is 0. So here we have this minus 1 0 1. This is one triplet. Another triplet is minus 1 2 1. So we have to return this one because their sum is 0 as well. And same as we have this 0 1 and minus 1, but we already stored this one, so we don't have to return it. We don't have to return the repeating triplets. So what will be the approach? So we can go with the brute force approach. We can go with the brute force approach. We will loop three loops I, j, and k, and in each iteration we will check if their sum is 0 or not. And if their sum is 0, then we will push it in empty array and we will return at the end. But it will consume lots of time, like for this it will take O in Q. So if we try to submit this code here as well, it will exceed time limit. So to avoid such scenario, we will use a better solution using the hash map. So in hash map, what we will do, like if we have I and j here, this minus 1 and 0, what we will do, we will store the third value. Okay, we will store the third value. So this minus 1 and 0. So minus 1 and 0, after the adding, what will be the third value we need? Plus 1. We have to check in hash table whether it's present or not. And if it's not there, then we will store the j value. If it's not there, then we will store the j value. Okay. Then j will move from here to here. Now minus 1 and plus 1, it becomes 0. What will be the third triplet we need? We need 0. Then it will become the triplet with 0. So we will check in hash table. Yeah, it's present. So minus 1, 1 and 0. This will be one triplet. At the same time, we have to store the j as well. J as well. So 1 is there. Now j will move here. Okay. Now I plus j. What it become? It become 1. But what we need? What we need? We need minus 1. Right? We need minus 5. So we don't have the minus value, and 1 is already added, so we don't have to add it. Now we have to, so for j equals to 2, we don't have minus 1, so we have to store the j value. Now j comes here. Okay, and now check minus 1 and minus 1, it becomes minus 2. Now we have to check the plus 2 whether in hash table we have it or not. So in the hash table we have it. So another triplet, what will become? Another triplet will be minus 1, minus 1 and 2. 2. Okay. So again j will go over there, and minus 1 we have to store. Minus 1 we have to do. Again j will go here, minus 1 and minus 4. Minus 5 we need 5, so we don't have it. So again we will store the minus 4. Now I can after the loop completed, I will be there and j will be here in 1. So at the same time, when I changes, what we will do? We will initialize our hash map to 0. Okay. So we will again check for each I values, and for each I values we will check one by one. So how we will write in our code? Let n equals to nums dot length let, so for let I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, let on hash j equals to now what we need to check, we need to first change what will be the third value. Third value would be the nums of I plus nums of j, but in negative form, in opposite sign. If minus, but if we multiply minus 1, then we need this value. Okay, now we will check in hash map. Hash dot has our third value. So we will check if hash dot has our third value. If it has the third value, what we will do? Let temp nums of I, nums of j, and this will be the third value. And what we will do? We will first sort this. We will sort this a comma b, a minus, and we will push it. We will sort it, and what we will do? We will push it. So we need another vertical response. So we will push 10, and at the same time what we will do? Hash dot add nums of j. Now if we return this response, it will have the repeating values. Yeah, we have the triplets, but we are also have the triplets with repeating values. So we have to avoid this one. So how can we do that? What we need to, before running itself, we need to assign to insert data structure, because insert data structure, if we have duplicate value, it will move automatically. So response dot map JSON dot stringify, and in response we need to from now. So this will be the answer, and we can submit this one as well. But we can optimize it more, because we are using. So this will take 4 to the power n square, O(n) square time complexity, but we are using extra species. So sometimes O log n we are using, but sometimes interviewer asks like optimize more. Time complexity is optimized, but they will ask the space complexity is also optimized. So what can we do now? We can use the two pointer approach. We can use the two pointer approach. So in the pointer approach, what we will do? We will before doing this, we will sort it out. Before itself, we will sort the entire thing. Let me show you what we will do. So we don't need hashing error. We can use the two pointer approach. So this is the thing. So before itself we need to sort it out. So we sorted this value, so it will be like this. My drawing is not that much. So what we will do, we will have two pointers. Okay. First I will be here. Okay, I will be here, and we will have two pointer. This is left and this right. Okay, and we will iterate. I would be the fixed point, and we will iterate left and right, and we will add it, and we will check if their sum is 0, then we will iterate 0. So and we have to avoid such scenarios. Here you can see -1 is there, -1 is there. So we have to pass these repeating values because we don't need this. So what we will do is n equals to num star. Then now sort this out. Sort sort p a minus b. Okay, now it's sorted. It response now for I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. So first thing what we will do, if we are checking the repeating value. If I greater than 0 and nums of I equals to nums of I minus 1. So we are simply continuing. We are giving the continue, it will do nothing and it will move forward. After that, let j equals to the I plus 1 first pointer, let k equals to n minus 1 last pointer. Okay. Now while j less than k, okay, while j less than k, if now here I is here, j is here, and this one is k. We will check the sum -1, 0, and +4. So what will be the sum? Plus 3. Is it greater than or the less than the sum? 0. It's greater than the 0. So it's in sorted order. So we have to minus the right. Right becomes will be here. Now again what will the 2 0 minus 1? Again plus 1. Again it's greater than the 0. So what we will become? K should be decreasing. K will become here. Now k 0 and 1, it's become 0, then multiply, fine. And if the sum is less than 0, then we will increase the j value. That's what we will do. Let sum equals to nums of I plus nums of j plus nums of k. Now if sum is greater than 0, then what we will do? We will decrease the k minus 1. Correct? Sum is greater than 0, what we will do, k minus minus, else if sum less than 0, j plus plus, and in else case what will become, if sum is 0, what we will do, let n equals to nums of I plus nums of j plus nums of k. It's already sorted, so we can simply push it to the array 10. After that, j plus plus, k minus minus, and we have to loop another. We have to check the edge cases as well. Sometimes what will happen, we will have like 0, here is 0 as well, here is 0 as well. If it's already there 0, then we don't have to check for the another 0, because we already checked. So at this time we will move the children. So while j less than k, after जाना है, and we will check nums of j if nums of, so nums of j minus 1, then simply increase the j plus plus while j less than k, and in k case nums of k if equals to nums of k plus 1, then k plus. Now at the end, return true. Something went wrong. What will be the case? Okay, this here we are returning this sum. It will be like comma. Now if we submit it, yeah, submitted. Submitted. Yeah, thank you for watching.